I have a chip in my glass bowl which I want to smooth down so it doesn't cut me. So I take some sandpaper, 220, 320, whatever. Since sanding glass with sandpaper will produce glass dust, to prevent breathing that in, we're going to be dipping the sandpaper in water and wearing a mask. Something that you might use from COVID or another type of mask. I take a pen or a marker and I roll the sandpaper up around it, and then we're going to be dipping the sandpaper in water. I sort of file it down. If you need a flat surface for sanding, just take a ruler and wrap the sandpaper around that for a few minutes. I inspect it visually every once in a while to see how smooth it is, and when I'm almost done I feel gently, very gently, so I don't cut myself. But first I just visually inspect it, and then after a while I'm done and I have a smooth glass bowl.